Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. They say only 1% of people can solve this. At first glance, it looks like a nightmare of logarithm, but there is a much simple way to find the value of t. This equation is 4 raised to power t plus 3 raised to power t equals 91. You have to find the value of t. So, we will solve this. We can see on the function that is 4 raised to power t plus 3 raised to power t. Since the bases are greater than 1, so this function is strictly increasing function. So, we will write this. This is a strictly increasing function. Reason is that the bases are greater than 1. This means that it has only one real solution. This will have only real solution. So let's test some integers. We will test this first of all for t equals. First of all, test this for t equals 1. So we get 4 raised to power 1 plus 3 raised to power 1. So 4 plus 3 will be 7. That is too low. Now we will test this for t equals 2, which gives 4 raised to power 2 plus 3 raised to power 2. That is 4 raised to power 2 is 16 plus 9, that equals 25, and that is getting closer. So we will continue this process, and when we substitute t equals 3, what will happen? We get 4 raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power 3. 4 raised to power 3 is 64 plus 27, that equals 91. So, because the function only ever goes up, we know that t equal 3 is not just a lucky guess, but it will be the possible answer. So, this is the exact answer for this one, that t equals 3. So what will be the final answer? We will write t equals 3 is the final answer for this question. If you enjoyed this deep dive into exponential function, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. Do you solve it by inspection or do you see the derivative method? See you in the next challenge. Best of luck for your exam. Keep learning, keep growing. Stay tuned.